Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mike from Mike's Garage. Today I got another good one for you. I'm going to review the Snap-on FHNF100 flex head ratchet wrench. Definitely the ugliest tool you have probably ever seen, at least for me. It looks hideous, but let's jump into it. So I've had this for about a month now. I bought it used off the Snap-on guy. That kid only had it for a few weeks, and originally I believe these go for about $180. I got it for $100, so really not a bad deal, just to try it out and see what's what with it. If I can be honest with you, I kind of love it, and I hate that I love it because it is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. But just like their electric guns that had the dual triggers that everybody hated in the beginning, I used it, I fell in love with it. If you have one of these, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how you like it and what you like about it. Personally, for me, I'm going to include a few videos of me at work using it. You get some good, just variations of ways you can ratchet, different angles, everything. I've done brakes with these so far. I've done some oil changes. I've done some work on some street sweepers. And honestly, I love it. My other flex head ratchet does not, I guess, flex as much. There was one problem with this is definitely thicker. There was one problem with the head being too thick, and I couldn't get in and out of a specific place on the street sweeper. But I don't know how many of you are working on street sweepers all day, but that's about it. I know you can adjust this for the detent of how loose or tight you want this. And you could also use it as a nut driver. If you turn it down like that, you can just kind of use it like a nut driver like that. And I really like it. It's the 100 tooth, so it's definitely a fine tooth, which I was very concerned about with buying it first. I didn't want to really put a lot of stress on that head, because that head kind of seems like, I don't know, it just looks weak. It doesn't look like a strong ratchet to me, but it really is. I mean, honestly, for the money that I got it for, I'm absolutely in love with it. I got it almost $80 off, so really you can't beat that. Besides that, I mean, with the flex head, the flexibility of the head, I was really amazed with that. You can just do so much with it, and it's just so versatile to me. This could be a perfect side job tool. You can really use it on just about anything. This would be great for spark plugs, great for doing an intake, great for doing valve covers if you're not using an electric tool. This, to me, is kind of a all-in-one, if you will, of just a good tool. If I could be honest, it's just a good tool. With all the different positions you can use this in. My other flex head, I love. That's my favorite ratchet. It's about the same length, but it just has this standard swivel head. I love, but this is kind of slowly taking over, if I can be very honest with you. And like I said, I kind of hate because it's just damn near hideous. It looks like something you would find at a gas station or something. I mean, but it works. You know, so it's kind of like the redheaded stepchild. You know, you don't really like it, but you gotta love it because it's yours. And then, you know, maybe one day you'll become a Super Bowl quarterback. This is my Super Bowl quarterback here. I've used it on a lot of stuff. I've yet to use it on a fire truck, but I've used it on brakes, and I really try to tighten the crap out of those calipers and everything. And I was hanging on this bad boy, and I didn't get any give out of it. It was really strong. It really did its job for me. So for the 100 tooth, fine tooth ratchet head, I thought it did wonders. Honestly, I really thought it did. I was thoroughly impressed with it. So if you have a chance, see if your Snap-on guy will let you borrow one for a week and kind of use it and go from there. But besides that, guys, this is definitely one that I would recommend. So go on, try it out, and let me know what you think. If you get one, you like it, leave a comment in the comments section. If you get one and you don't like it, remember you did not watch a video from me, so don't worry about it. But besides that, guys, thanks for the view. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at FireTruckMechanic. And we'll see y'all on the next one. good angle. I'm able to come back a lot on this one, whereas my straights I'd be hitting the frame. A flex head might do a little bit just as much, but with this I feel like I get more of an angle, and I had the wobbles on it too, which helps a little bit. But I mean, I'm able to miss that fender liner.